Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Happy Friday, welcome Friday. I hope you guys had amazing holidays. It's been a long time since I've come on and been live, but I have had so many great conversations with all of you, some of you and some other clients, just asking questions about the market, what's happening, what's going on in real estate. And so I thought Fridays I would feature a different property, come on live, walk through it like we're walking through it, make notes, talk about it, have you guys jump on, ask questions, interact with me, have fun, and we can just be nosy. I love being nosy. So we can see how people are decorating, what they're doing. I can bring up different points as we go through and talk about the house and just go through a house every week. So this week, and if you don't know me, my name is Betsy and I'm a realtor here in the Denver metro area. This week I picked a house that's actually in my neighborhood because I was like, what better way to start this than maybe finding someone to be my neighbor? And I would love for you to be my neighbor. So I picked this house. This house here is in the Amber Creek neighborhood of Thornton, Quebec and 136th Avenue. It is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3-car tandem, and it is 3,700 square feet, just shy of that. And it is listed for $789,900. So let's further ado, stop looking at me, and we'll turn around and be nosy together. All right, here we go. So I have not even walked through the house. Here's something to point out. I'm at the front door. As you walk in, it looks like there's like this little nook over here that is like a den. It could be a formal dining play area, but I think it was designed for an office. Again, I love going through these. I'm gonna go through it with you for the first time. So excited to see what they've done and how they've had it. I'm going to link in the comments below the actual listing so you can even get all of the details, but even see the house when it was furnished. So this home is a relocation sale where somebody's company has come in and said, I'm going to buy this house and I'll pay the fees as a benefit to their employment. So they have moved on to their next thing, and which also means that there is a third party making decisions. It's not just the seller that had lived in this home. So gives you kind of an idea. There's a lot of moving parts with relocation, and it's always good to have somebody that knows what they're doing, because every company is so different, just like every seller, but then you have the third party in there. So yeah, so look at how cute, look how big this island is. It's beautiful. Then it has the double oven, so oven there, gas range, oven there, and microwave. Let's be nosy and see. Oh, that's fun. See how they have in their pantry, they did drawers down below. That's a good idea. Great use of space. Coming over here, dining room. Oh, and it has the the full sliding door here. I don't know if you guys can see 1, 2, 3, that then opens up into the backyard. Hi, Jason, happy Friday. So this house, and you kind of can see even the backyard. It's not a large backyard. It's a great location. It is a block away from an amazing park that has so much fun. Oh, see, look here, there was some moisture here. So it's always, those are kind of things that we would point out, look at, make sure that it's not going to happen again. Why did it happen? Awesome vaulted ceilings. And then we'll kind of finish up here before we'll go down. What's going on over here? Oh, cool. They put a dog door in here. Powder room. Nicely done. Like that. My guess is this goes out to the garage here. So, yep. 3-car tandem. Mostly this tandem is used for just work area, storage, things like that. It doesn't really, there's not many vehicles that would actually fit that tandem. All right, let's go downstairs and see what's going on down here. Jump on if you have questions. If you're watching this later, have questions, let me know. see what we got. Oh, that's nice. Wet bar there. So you're coming down. There is a small bedroom here. In this one, probably you could fit a king size bed in here. Sometimes that's helpful to know when there's no furniture, but probably not a whole lot more could fit. Standard closet here. Hi, Cindy K. Happy New Year. Oh, this is fun. Let's see if there's actually a light under here. There is a light under there, but it's just kind of maybe a Harry Potter closet for kids. Be kind of a fun room for the kids to play in. Nice open space here. Ceiling fan, recessed lighting, which is really nice. Looks like they carried down the granite here, which looks really nice. And bathroom, double vanity here in the basement. Nicely done. It's always a thing for me when I go through houses or when if I'm selling one of your houses, I always like try to remind everybody, put the toilet seats lids down. Cover the lids. Nobody wants to see what's going on in there. Oh, it looks like someone tried to access that and it popped off there. Standard closet. This actually goes into the bathroom, which is really nice for guests down here in the basement. So very nice. Great space. Let's go. Looks like this must be all the utilities, storage. Small area, but great spot just for additional storage and clean. So this house was built, it's definitely is a newer house, and it was built in 2019. It's a tri-point home, and it is, I think it's been 2 homeowners so far. So again, coming up to the main level, we're gonna go back up and see what's going on upstairs. I think there's a loft up here. It's a great size loft. That's a great size here. Laundry room on the upper level. Very nice size laundry. Great lighting, look at that. Oh, and you can actually, I don't think you can see it in my video, but you can actually see the park over. Oh, look how nice. This is the primary. Very nicely done. Look at this shower. Wow. Double vanity. Again, toilet seat lids here. So again, this is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3,700 square feet over in Thornton, and it is listed at $789. Look at that pink wall. That's kind of interesting how they did that cutout there. Cute. Probably could do some fun stuff with that. Has its own bathroom. And I think each bedroom, oh no, because this bedroom here doesn't connect to this bathroom. It's a good size. In blue. Well, it's an awesome house here in Thornton, and I'm going to do this again next Friday. So please let me know if there's a house that you're interested in, that you want to see. Let's be nosy together. Have a great day.